What are you eating? Huh? Do you think we're gonna find the costumes we need? Like,
Sirena, no, I think Sirena.
I'm kind of like, is there another girl in Loteria?
La chalupa y la sirena.
How
Because
can
la sirena, I could just buy a tan color,
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
long sleeve, and then la tela para hacerme la de abajo,
Yeah.
and then just pose whenever they vote for me.
How?
And then I still need my night costume with Jose.
Yeah.
That one's gonna be the Katrina one. I don't know what to wear for that one, dude. What do you think?
Well, weren't you gonna wear the shawl and then like the dress,
Katrina?
put your hair up with
But
flowers?
what do you wear on the, like, you just wear something Mexican, right?
Usually those Mexican dresses.
Black or
We'll see.
colorful?
I think either one. Because if it's black, you can like put it colorful with ribbons and stuff. I think.
I think I should go to Sicari's right now.
Oh,
Have you been there?
yeah, a long time ago.
They sell stuff like that, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I should go right now. Like, I have to come. But then I'm like,
Because it's kind of far, no?
by Norluco, donde vive, donde trabaja Nick.
Yeah.
How do you hold hands?
I don't really do it. Like when?
When you hold hands? Hold hands, right?
Yeah. Well, like that. Like
Pero your hand goes like on the bottom? Like
that. Like that, probably, yeah.
Or like you go on the top?
No, I'm always on the bottom, I think.
Yeah, me too. I feel weird if it's on the top.
Yeah.
And is it longer than yours?
What do you mean?
Or is it level? That where you have to like be uncomfortably?
Well, it's because I don't really do it when we walk. Like, you know what I mean?
You don't walk with that?
Not really.
Is it
Maybe
because
it's...
you don't want to, or los dos completely, or...
Yeah, I don't know. I feel weird. I feel weird.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like that's really high school. But, no offense.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe it's not. I don't know.
It's not. It's natural. Boyfriend and girlfriend hold hands.
Thank you. What time is it?
It's like 3. Yeah, 3. So what do you want to make?
Well, I'll be in the slide.
Okay,
So if you just want to go up to the slide.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.